Hello, I'll be your guide today as we look at the new feature of adding notes on a photo with the capability to email them. To begin, you'll have to log in to the Shopback Room by going to shopbackroom.com and entering your username and password. You'll be taken to your home screen where you'll see some basic data about the system. To add the notes, you'll go to the claims, and this will list all the claims that you have in process, and you can just select from whatever page that you want to go to. And again, we'll collapse it. It's a database. And you can see all the vehicles you have in process. You can come in and you can just select on the one that you'd like to use. And of course, on the right side, you can scroll through the photographs so you can see all the photos that are in the system currently for this vehicle. And here, select the photo that you'd like to drop the note on. In this case, we'll pick this one and click on Add a Note. You can drag the note file over, and you can make the box any size you want by grabbing hold of it, make it bigger, and just move it. And we may want to highlight the damage on the frame rail here. And you put your note in here. Put your note in, and then just put in the email address where you'd like to send it. And we'll send it to myself in this sample. And you click OK. And that's it. The email has been sent with the note on the photo. And anytime you see this photo, you put your note pointer over it, and you'll be able to view the note that you've just placed on that photograph. And anytime you put your pointer on the photo, you'll be able to see and put it over the box. You'll be able to see the note that was put on that photo. That's been emailed, and what we'll do is we'll take a look at what it looks like when it comes into the customer or the claim handler or whoever you need to send this to. You may send it to a desk reviewer with an explanation of something you're doing to the vehicle, or maybe here's where we blended the fender or the door, to a customer who may have a question about damage or how you're going to fix it, and you can highlight that. A great way to work with your customers, to be able to send off and say, here's the other damage that you didn't think about that you may want to consider fixing, along with a price, and right in the photo. So again, we'll show that to you and how it looks on the email. The person who you sent the email to will receive an email in your inbox that will look like this. A note has been added to the RO number, and they'll just click on the link inside their email, and it will look like this. They'll be able to see the photo, and if they put their pointer over the photo, the box will appear, and they can actually read the note that you left on that specific photo. They can scroll down and say, I'd like to add a reply to this. And right inside this photo, they can put their note and say reply. The note has now been added back into the system, and you can actually start an email chain right inside the photograph. So we've made it really simple to use. The idea, of course, is that you can communicate to your customers by putting a note on the photo to them. You can do it to a desk reviewer. You can do it to an insurance adjuster. You can send it to multiple emails addresses, not just one, but you can send it multiple places. It's just a really neat way to communicate and explain what you're doing to the vehicle. So I hope that's helpful as you look at using this system of notes on the photo. Thanks for your time.